Yeah. Spearfish Canyon. Just had a bite to eat. Sitting here watching all the bikes go by. I decided today stay close up to the northern hills of the Black Hills. Not going far from camp today, but tomorrow I'm kind of thinking I'm going to go for a further distance. Today was kind of a lighter day, so I'm really not doing much other than just come to Spearfish Canyon, and I think I'm probably going to go stick my feet in the creek. Since I'm here, I'm not doing anything else. So, anyways, I just finished up my bite to eat, and I'm just relaxing for the moment, and so I'm going to sit here for a little bit while longer and then go head over to the creek and probably stick my feet in it. So talk to you later. Oh man. The water's clear and it is ice cold. Oh, wow. Amazing. It looks right behind me. Man, life is nice. Feels so good. Wow. Anyways, I'll talk to you later.
Are we going to get some National Geographic right now? Maybe. You're taking behind you? Yeah, right. These guys like not no.
Coming this way, I think. Oh, so you can see I'm down at Custer State Park on Wildlife Loop Road. Of course, there's the buffalo herd right there. They're on both sides of the road up there, even on the road I saw down there. Well, we got a traffic jam back up here. You can see way down there. It'll be a while for me to get through there once I get back on the bike. Wow, there's still a couple more stops here on Wildlife Loop Road that I want to make. Over on the other side of the road too. Let's see, I can zoom in and real closer here. Way down there, they're on the road. So I'm going to be sitting here for a while before I hop on the bike and then head down the road. So talk to you later. Alright, just got parked right along the Wildlife Loop Road. I've rode by this place last few years and never stopped because I was always videoing, and I didn't want to have to restart the cameras and everything. So Today I came down here just to do some stops since I'm not recording the rides today. Now I can take and do some stops that I usually don't take. So let's head up there, up the hill, and see what kind of view we got. So I'm up here. Nice view up here. And of course, true to form for South Dakota, wind. Steady wind, so you have to deal with it, whatever. That's what it looks like up here. I'm not going to go down that way, take too much time. That bison backup took a lot of time. Buffalo trim. And I'm hungry, so my next stop is going to be a picnic. Gotta have my lunch all ready. So. There, then this is it. Where I just finished up eating. Actually, I'm just sitting here relaxing for a moment. And right over there, that's where the road, you know, Wildlife Loop Road ends. I just came from there to this parking area that's right here. There's the picnic shelter here and over there, and picnic tables over there. And the visitor center is right there. They also have a parking lot there for that. Of course, I could have parked there too and just walked over. They got sidewalks and stuff. But anyways, after this, I am going to hop on a motorcycle. I'm going to ride Iron Mountain Road, but I don't think I'm going to stop anywhere. I don't plan to right now, but I'll play it by ear. Might just ride straight through, but that's the plan right now anyways. But I'm just going to take and finish up that, and then hop on the bike and head to Iron Mountain Road. So talk to you later.
I tried to open in 2000.
I started working undercover down there. First Jewish cemetery.
Now I had a horse run in 95.
Spokane Surfer, there was a serial killer around there.
And then of course there was Kim.
Yeah, well, that was back.
That's way before your time.
Alright, as you saw, I paid my visit to a Wild Bill here at Mount Moriah Cemetery in Deadwood. Now I'm up here to the overlook where I can look down at Deadwood down below there. Always like coming to Deadwood. Right. There's the Franklin Hotel there. Of course, Main Street is, whoops, let me take a zoom out so that Main Street is right in front of it. It's like listening to the sound of Deadwood down there. Gosh, something else. I love coming up here. And of course I am going to be heading down to Main Street there in a little bit. Later on in this video. Later on today. Part of my tradition of the Sturgis Motorcycle Rally is to come here to Deadwood. Spend a little time here. place that used here in Deadwood on the main street. It used to be Dairy Queen. Now it's called the Deadwood Ice Cream Company. And this is a sundae that they have available. They have a whole bunch of different ones. This one has ice cream, Reese's, and hot fudge. No, the Reese's peanut butter cups, ice cream, hot fudge, and caramel topping. This one's called the Jackpot. So I am going to partake. There it is. That's where I just ate, the Deadwood Ice Cream Company. Okay, well, that's going to wrap up this video. Just got back from a shower and I'm going to head to bed now. So that's going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for tomorrow's video.